That's a bit twitchy.
Get it up high. It's flying. It's flying.
I need some assistance.
Also,
Left top
I have no idea which one's
knob, turn left a little bit.
Left top knob.
So
Yeah.
top knob, turn it left.
Just near your thumb here.
Yeah, up there. Turn it left a little bit. That's me rates for the.
It says auxiliary 2
aileron.
on it. Pit TRM auxiliary 2 on, yeah.
Yeah.
Left a little
Left
bit.
a little bit. That's not bad. Right.
Is that better?
And the other one.
One next
Left
to
a
it.
little bit as well. A little bit less aileron elevator.
That better?
That feels a little bit better. Still
bit
very
more.
up and down.
It's got to come down. It's up though.
Yeah, it's very, 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 very twitchy.
Yeah. You got any expo in?
Yeah, 50% on. I think.
Up in the air though.
No idea which way it's going. There we go.
Yeah.
I think I might be still a little bit tail heavy with it. I can't find my trims because it's near radio, isn't it?
My fingers are cold at one.
Going up a bit, isn't it?
Yeah. Can't find my
What do you want me
elevator
to
trim.
do? What do you
I'm
want?
going to say elevator trim forward a bit or trim down. Ooh.
So if we get down, do we push the stick up or down?
Stick up to down. That makes sense.
Yeah, that's what I did. I clicked it
Yeah.
up a bit. And then I don't think you're on my same mode as me, are you?
Mode 2. So throttle on the left. It's very, very it feels like it needs more nose weight.
Do you want to click her up, down elevator?
30 seconds remaining.
Hang on.
30 seconds, but that's only a 3-minute timer that is set to see what had happened.
Just seemed to be stalling a bit, didn't
Yeah. Throttle it up.
you? You got any power? Is it?
It's not massive. That's full tilt.
Is it?
Yeah.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Timer ended.
Not very. What are you doing?
Lost orientation.
Eh?
Lost orientation.
Oh
There we
my
go.
God, that's we're doing loose.
That was just a little roll.
Doing a roll, bloody hell. It didn't roll well, eh?
Yeah. I'll leave my other glasses on. Yeah, it still need a bit more nose down.
Still
Trim. She's still very, very.
fair level.
Right, I'm going to see.
Coming in.
Trying to. This will be the moment of truth.
Hey?
This will be the moment of truth.
Landing.
Attempting
Well, attempting to landing. It's looking alright. Yeah, that's looking okay. You've got a good breeze.
a little bit
coming
more
in.
throttle up.
Got a good breeze coming in. Looking sweet.
It's looking like you don't want to come down.
Oh yeah!
She's in.
See that suspension? That was working well. Well done.
Back seat out. That was windy.
You're up there. any better?
Feels that the battery's just died off there.
Hey?
Battery's dying.
Ah, bad one or?
Could be. Let's have some landing practice.
That's good.
Timer started.
Here we go.
Didn't like that. That's too much down, isn't it? Better. Is that weight alright?
Feels it.
It's not flying as bad as it
No.
was. That's alright actually.
Wind catches it, just lifts it.
Well, yeah, a bit like the silver breeze.
Yeah. Still seems a little bit pitchy though.
You'll see it, isn't it? Wings and snap.
Yet.
That's what I'm expecting. Do a snap roll and they just snap off. It depends how good your glue is. Is that good with a super glue?
Mine's Mitafix.
See how that goes.
Yeah, still needs a bit more nose weight, I think. Definitely.
Might be like it's tricky.
And certainly, it's got that feel of being tail heavy.
30 seconds remaining.
Because as soon as the wind lifts it, that's it. You're on a fight.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
It turns alright though.
3, 2,
No, does it knife edge?
timer ended.
Good question. I might not bother.
Are you not going to bother another go?
I'm not going to have a go. Not with it this twitchy.
Get it on its side, knife edge it.
Yeah, it's still very pitchy. I think that. I think the CG marks are a little optimistic.
Alright.
With this much elevator, probably will do actually. Yeah, 'cause you give it enough elevator to give yourself a tight turn, and you're just fighting your way back out of it.
Yeah, it flies though, that's automatically.
Right, let's bring her in. Oh.